The Mavic 4 Pro is a seriously impressive flagship drone, with a relatively reasonable list price starting at £1,879/3.099 Australian dollars for a bundle that includes the RC2 controller. As always, pricier Fly More combos are available too. However, it's not good news for all. We asked DJI about pricing and availability for the US, and a DJI spokesperson told us, "The DJI Mavic 4 Pro will not be available for sale in the US upon its global launch on May 13th. Like many global companies, we have had to adjust our market strategy as local conditions and the industry environment have evolved. While we do not have a timeline for when we can introduce the product to the US market, we are closely monitoring the situation and actively exploring every possible solution." So DJI isn't completely ruling out the Mavic 4 Pro landing in the US. But clearly the uncertainties around US tariffs hitting Chinese exports, plus a potential DJI drone ban, have combined to create a volatile and unfavorable market for the brand. If the new drone doesn't appear in the US, it would be a big deal, as it would be the first time a DJI product hasn't been launched there. Alongside the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI has unveiled the new RC Pro 2 remote controller, an impressive-looking bit of kit that features a rotatable 7-inch touch display and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. The RC Pro 2 costs £879/1,529 Australian dollars. Again, US pricing and availability is TBC. The drone and controller pairing are as good as it gets for prosumer drone pilots. DJI has once again raised the bar for drone performance.